Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Alright guys, so we're out here today all the way in Drumheller, Alberta. We are traveling from Calgary, Alberta through the prairies, heading to Drumheller. We're gonna check that out and bring you guys along with us, and we'll see what's up. So let's go. So we're just arriving in Drumheller, and we're driving through like the Badlands area, and you can see the way how the terrain is set up here. It's very interesting. Apparently they found dinosaur fossils here, and they have the world's largest dinosaur museum, which we've never heard of, but we researched it and apparently it's true. So just find this quite interesting. Yeah, let's check it out guys and see what's up. Okay guys, so we're out here in Drumheller today. Got the welcome to Drumheller sign, and check out the terrain all around. The terrain is crazy. So apparently this is what's called the Canadian Badlands, and this is how it looks all throughout. Drumheller, Alberta, and we're in the middle of the Badlands, and then there's this specific type of structure here which is called a hoodoo, and I'm just gonna show you guys it up close. It's just crazy because the terrain here is so rough and uneven. Quite interesting. Check it out guys, these are the Hoodoos here. And this is like the viewpoint, so this is quite interesting. All the way in Drumheller, Alberta.